now. A good sleep here. It's about 7:30 in the morning. So I'm getting ready and then I'm going to go to breakfast. And we've also got a boat tour today, which will be quite nice out on the lake. So yeah, once I get changed, sort myself out a little, we will hit the road. So, out of my pajamas, same jumper on. It's quite cold this morning. We had a good sleep last night in the princess bed. But let's go for breakfast. Are you ready, James? Come on then. Breakfast and then we will go on a boat tour. So I've stepped off the boat now at a little market, local market here, and I think it's already online. It changes our locations each day. So today it's right here. So if you're doing souvenir shopping, definitely a place to be. Lots of like jewellery and wood carvings and all that type of thing. A lot of the stores do sell the same thing, so you can definitely go around and kind of compare prices and what people are wanting and get what you need. But yeah, a little bit more on the pricey side, I'd say. Wow. Lots of lotus. Looks complicated.
There is a lotus and the lotus here.
Nice little look around like the lotus factory and lotus silk thing. It's obviously one of those like try and buy from us, but when you're travelling for 6 months you don't really have room for that sort of thing. So I can't feel bad, but it's just yeah, can't help it really. Come in and had lunch now. It's surprisingly good. Very expensive though for what it was. It was about $12 US, $6 each, and that was just for stir-fried meal, some rice and a Coke. But now we're on our way somewhere else. little town, I think it's called like Inle, something like that. I'm just walking up to a place of worship, so it's a temple pagoda. Meant to be about, our driver said 25-minute, and then the guy that tried to sell us a motorbike trip said 35-minute. They're probably 25-minute walk, which won't be too bad. It's not that hot at the moment. Just lacking a bit of wind. Go this way? Okay. And then you've got the river just there. This is how you know you're going the right way, where all the souvenirs are. So honestly, you've got so much shopping opportunities when you do this little boat tour. It's actually a bit ridiculous. Silver, copper, lotus stuff, cotton, silk, bamboo. We brought 2 bracelets for $4. That was definitely one of the highlights of the stops. So we just got back and started blowing quite a gale out there, so it was really good timing. Finished up by stopping at the jumping cat monastery, and there were a few cats around, no jumping. I think it was a bit too hot for them. But yeah, we've just arrived back here now. What's the time, James?
Almost 4 o'clock.
Almost 4 o'clock. And it is crazy wind. Couldn't even like get outside to the balcony because the wind was just pushing the door that hard. We thought it was still locked. It was just the wind. Oh, the curtains are blowing. Just letting some, it sounds like thunder. Does that sound like thunder? Thunder. We're meant to be having a nice dinner, candlelight dinner tonight, but this weather is not cooperating, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there either tonight, or they said they might postpone it for tomorrow night, because I think it's going to storm and bucket and rain down very hard. I think the best stop on the tour was the one where we went to the pagodas. I think that was called In. It was like a lot of I's and E's and N's and maybe an A in the word. But that was probably the best. We're just not a fan of like shopping, especially when you're traveling for 6 months. You don't got room in your bag for souvenirs at all. So it's pointless going to the shops, and then they do all these demonstrations for you and you just feel bad because you can't buy anything. Even if you wanted to, at the end of it, you're just like, no, I don't have room for that. But I think it kind of suits more of an older market. There's more thunder. I think it's that type of like shopping experience suits like older people. For us, it's not interesting in the slightest really. The boat making was alright. Those type of things aren't really for us in the slightest. Like you go through and do the tour and then they bring you to like the workshop, they bring you to like the shop, the souvenir shop where you can buy things. And then they kind of just follow you around the shop. They go, oh, this price this, I give you special price. And I go, I don't want to pay any price, I don't need any of this stuff. So that, yeah, I think you get that with tours basically anywhere, no matter where you are in the world. What do you think?
It was good. Long.
It was very long. We left at 8:30, didn't we? Maybe a couple minutes after, because we got locked out of our room.
It's 4 o'clock.
James thought I had the room key. I thought he had the room key. But none of us asked each other if we had the room key until we got right back to the room. But housekeeping was able to let us in, so that was alright. And yeah, so it was 8:30 to 4 o'clock. Maths, 7.5 hours. That is a very long time. Hello, James.
Is that new source of like that? Good handed.
So we've made it back to our room now after a lovely, lovely, lovely dinner. Just lying in our beautiful princess bed. And yeah, crazy nice dinner. So it was a beautiful like love heart of flowers going around the table, and it was like fairy lights all in them, so it was sparkly. And then yeah, candlelight and roses and wine. Everything good. Even though we're not the biggest drinkers. It makes us very lightweight when we just have one glass. So thank you for watching today. We actually did quite a few things. If you enjoyed this video, it'd be awesome if you could like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions and all that type of stuff.